Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. Yes, if you're new here, welcome. It's my beep birthday. This is the official tour of my Airbnb. You know, like when you have an oasis in the desert, this is the oasis in Kingston. Yeah, the equivalent. Yeah, so anyway, I'm not gonna talk a lot. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, you know, and let the tour begin. So as you come through the door, there's a mirror immediately to your left and then to your right there's a staircase that leads up to the bedroom. Immediately in front of you, you'll be looking at the dining area and the kitchen. Yeah, so let me just spin so you could see. That's the door that we came through with the welcome mat. Yep. Spin. Yep. Welcome. So yes. Hi. So let me I just put these curtains down. They were up. I'll show you guys what they look like when they're up. You get a great view of the garden. And I got greeted by this when I came in. Happy birthday, Ramona. Yes, and this is where I'm staying, City Cabin. You can find them on Instagram. And they gave me a complimentary bottle of Gold Moscato and this lovely plant. I love the aesthetic so much. Whosoever designed this place, you know, needs a, I don't know, not a raise because it's theirs, but they're very talented. So anyway, above the table in the dining area, which is also a very beautiful dining table. The chair has this design on the back, which is like a face, and then it kind of matches the one over there on the wall. So above the dining table there is this nice, I don't know what that is called, but it's just beautiful. It just gives it a more rustic cabin vibe. Yes, and I love. We got some plants in the corner, so let's go over to the kitchen. So this is an electric stove, and all around this place, guys, you'll see a lot of red accents, red door, fridge, microwave, towel, dish rack. Yeah. It comes with an oven, so if you want to bake while you're here, you can. But it comes with also a lot of utensils, spoon, fork, what's this, and more spoons, knife, you know, just a lot of stuff you'd use to cook, because persons are like, if you're on a business trip and you can't carry these things with you, instead of eating out every day, you could cook yourself your meal. Because I bought eggs to carry here, because I'm like, I'm not gonna get up and order breakfast. Like, I'll make my own breakfast. It's easy to make. So yeah, we got these bottles of water complimentary as well. Dish soap, sponge, dish rack, as I said. I used it this morning, but everything got dried, so I packed them back in the cupboard. And to add the cupboard, there's a toaster. If I knew there was a magic bullet here, I would have brought some fruits with me. But it has like basics, like some seasonings, salt, pepper. You have sugar there as well, pancake syrup, coconut oil, and we also used out some of these tea bags yesterday, and this is like cafe blue. Other side of the cupboard, you have mugs and plates and you know, glasses and bowls, some more plates. So it's like super super packed with all the things you would need for a stay. You don't have to be worried about kitchen stuff. The microwave, spacious, it's big, it's super clean. The fridge, I have nothing in the freezer. Well, they packed some ice in here, thank you. I don't think will I be using any ice? I do have some apple juice though in the cooler. And I just got some lettuce and cheese because I plan on making a sandwich, and sweet pepper because I love sweet pepper with whatever I'm eating. If I'm like doing like a quick meal, I like having sweet pepper in it. And these are my brownies for my birthday. So instead of getting cake, I got brownies. So yeah, that's the fridge. There are more things under the cupboard. Cutting boards. There's a shopping bag. Plate holder. I don't know the right word for that. Oh, this is super cute. Wow, this is super cute. What's this? I'm gonna Google it and put it on the screen if I remember. Oh, this is cool. And this is magnetic, so it's not just gonna fall off. Like, ooh, nice. I don't know what this is though. This is nice as well, but I don't want to break it, so let's put it back. But it looks like a guitar. It's like a little guitar. Who knows? If you know what it is, drop it in the comments. Yeah, thank you. And in the cupboard, we also have like pots and a greater cleaning supplies over there. It's getting dark because we're under the cupboard. Baking stuff. So it's like, you have the frying pan, you have whatever other pan you need. So you don't have to worry about taking stuff. You could just, before coming here, you could just go grocery shopping, get some stuff, come and check and see if there's anything additional that you need. And that's the kitchen. That's the kitchen, guys. Yeah, the cupboards down here, cupboards up there, the fridge, the stove, the microwave. Oh, I forgot. Knives. There are a lot of knives here too. Coffee maker. So I guess these, I wonder how expensive these are, because these ones are the ones that you put, I think you put in the top or something, and they makes it for you. I don't know, but I've seen people do it at work with the coffee makers. I don't know how it's done. And kettle. There's also a kettle here, so you don't have to boil the water on the stove. Yeah, so you have a coffee maker and a kettle and a beautiful set of knives, napkin provided as well. And I also like the sink because it's deep, so deeper the sink, less splashes. Anyway, let's move on now to the living space. Let me open these windows. I haven't opened them since I've been here. Oop. Yeah, I think the highlight for the living space is the seat right here. I haven't sat in it as yet because I'm honestly just scared. I'm honestly just scared of sitting in it. And you know, these seats, you have to hold on to them firm so they could be steady so you can sit. But yeah, I haven't. Maybe I'll try tomorrow or something. But anyway, green couch. You know, from all the red accents that you've seen here, you'd think a red couch would be over here, but this green couch just fits so perfectly. Like, take a look. It's even a dark green, and I wish you could see how as good as I'm seeing it. But even though it's like a dark green couch, it's so perfect in this space. And I love how the walls are all decked out. They're all decked out with some kind of art. Like, this is so unique. Like, what's this? It's like a mirror. I don't know what's around it, but it's super cool. It's just a painting of a girl on a couch. Yes, sir. And this is also another painting of somebody that looks like me, a black girl. And this is also a cute part of the living space as well. This, well, what looks, it's a flower stand, but in the form of a bicycle. Super cute with these plants. So this spot is empty. This is like a nice little watering can. Yeah, cute. And let me not forget, you get a big screen TV. This looks like a 50-inch. If it's not 50, it's definitely 40 up. But it's nice. It's a good size. What's this? This is so unique though. Everything in here is like super unique. It still has a drawer. Yeah, everything is in here is like super unique. I wonder how long it took to design, because even this, I'm wondering if it's like a real thing that you used to fit clothes over, or if it's just like art, you know. But it's really nice. Anyway, this door leads to the bathroom. Let's close it for a proper effect. So let's do that one more time. This door leads to the bathroom. So from the living space to the bathroom. Oh, lights. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the remote for the fan. There are fans in here. There's a ceiling fan over the dining table. And then there's like this other fan over the sofa. And they have the remotes. That's a TV remote. Oh, bathroom. Hi, Miro. How are you doing? So yeah, this is the bathroom mirror again. A unique find. Like, I don't know, but this place is amazing. This is a sink. Again, not your regular sink. It's raised off the counter. And there's complimentary hand soap and hand lotion for all the dry skin people. Sometimes my hands are, you know, dry after washing them, but this soap is very mild, so I don't think you'll need hand soap. Details, it's all in the details. More details. But this is a nice little towel holder, and then there's a towel here, and you also get some body wash, body scrub, and more towels. You do also get hot water in the shower. So this is the shower. It's a glass shower. Toilet, you know, necessity. The bin, tissue. And now, y'all, this is one of my favorite parts of this cabin. Let's open the door. Let's open the door. I don't know. Did I close it? Are y'all ready? This is, and let's step down. This is the outdoor shower area. So this is the shower. I'm gonna try to turn it on and run quickly so that you guys could see without getting my phone wet. And there it is. The water comes out of the seashell. Super creative. I probably should have left this for last. Nice. I'm bathing out here this evening, honestly. I am gonna bathe out here this evening. Anyway, whew, how was that shower, y'all? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A lot of persons think that they have to go far to get the outdoor shower experience, but actually it's right here in the heart of Kingston. Anyway, let's go upstairs to the bedroom. I slept in the bed last night, so I tried to fix it back as best as possible. It won't look the same, but I tried. Me did try fix it back, but make we see. I'm not the best bed spreader. But anyway, let's go upstairs. So on the way upstairs, that's just my suitcase under there. Nice little art on the wall again. This is just some frames with grass in it, and it adds so much to the staircase. Honestly, it's literally like a shoe, which is so cool. This is board. This is a wooden cabin, like literally. This is not even concrete, and it's so nice. It's so nice. So we can do so much more with our homes. And this is the door to the bedroom, so you can close yourself in at night if your heart please. Immediately to your right, there is another red door, and it opens up to a balcony. So you have two nice yellow chairs out here with a table. And if you please, there's a mango tree above you. It's not ripening right now, but if you come on a mango season, then you can actually probably pick a mango off of the tree. You know? But yeah. You can look down in the yard. Or I think this is a church over here. Yeah. So you don't have any direct neighbors to worry about. There's another cabin though over there, that roof. But apart, over here next to your bedroom, don't have a neighbor, and that's where the outdoor shower is, in the middle of the plants. So yeah, this is a little balcony vibe. A little balcony vibe up here. You know what I mean? So yeah. And on the balcony, you can see a little bit of the rest of Kingston, well, St. Andrew. Houses on top of houses going up on the hill. So yeah, all those white marks, all those white dots you're seeing, those are houses on the hillside. Anyway, back into the bedroom. So balcony, bedroom. Before we do the grand reveal of the bed, door that leads from downstairs, the balcony to the right, and you have another TV in the bedroom. You have some books to read. And oh, this plant is nice. This is a nice plant. And these are some crystals. Wait, it plugs in. Is it a light? Let's find out if it's a light or not. It is a light. Oh my goodness. Look, when I say unique finds, it is a light. It is a light. I didn't know that. I would have used it last night if I knew. So we're moving from the chair over to this mirror. Hey, 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 hey. So when we open this side mirror, even the handle is a mirror, y'all. Like, check it out. It leads to the closet. I used that iron this morning, and this is just a dress I'm gonna make a video in. If you follow me on Instagram at Ramona Carty, then you may or may not see this, because I do take a lot of pictures and videos and not post them. And the iron board right here, so you have spaces to hang your clothes if your heart desired it. And this is just my bag, hiding it from the rest of the room. But yeah, so your mirror turned into your closet. Now let's close her. Now for the bed, which I tried to fix back, by the way. So this is the bed. It has this lovely basket. Well, the floor, check out the floor, guys. Also wooden. This is a nice little basket. I guess you could throw your towels in there. And the bed, they're on some pallets, which is super cool. Super cool. Super my vibe. Lovely mattress, by the way. Slept on it well. A lot of sponge. And then the spring at the bottom. So you'll sleep good. And the pillows are also like very nice. But anyway, let me not get distracted. Back to like showing you all the full thing. So the backdrop, I know you guys, it probably caught your eyes. Beautiful art, as I said. Beautiful. There's also a little piece right here as well on this wall. Yeah, basket, pillows, so you can probably sit here, lean back. I got a robe and an eye mask. I haven't opened it as yet. I was trying to save it for the walkthrough video. And this is a blanket. This came in handy last night, so I had to pull up this because it got a little cold last night. So it's hot during the day, but at night, bam, you could turn on the AC. Yes, you get air conditioning. This is the remote right here. It's not turned on right now because I have the windows open. Yeah. But yeah, the bed is super nice. You have two bedside tables and lamps, and you have this, I guess this is like a new type of alarm clock. Super cool. It has a screen, and guess what day it is? November 15th, my birthday. Yes, sir. I don't know how to turn this on. But it's a lamp. And there's a matching one on the other side. We also have a fan along with the AC, so you don't have to use the AC if you don't want to. And if you don't want to use either, you have two windows. And I love these curtains. The white curtains just add a lot more light to the room than a dark curtain would, so it's nice. A cool feature of this room is that you can open this window and it shows you the dining room and the kitchen. Super cool, but scary because this is very short, but it's cool. I like it. So I could literally shoot a video from up here of myself walking. Yeah.